Hi guys, welcome to Art Room with Savio. My name is Savio Mascarenhas and welcome to my studio. Now the last shape which I'm going to take on is the oval. So we start again with the pencil and draw an oval shape very lightly. Now let's pick the eyes. We have this one left out. They're basically black dots, but they can be very expressive. Just a black dot, little bit of lines here, and the eyebrows. We have done this, we have used this. Let's go with this one, just above the eyes. Now let's pick a nose. I have this nose now, which is rather funny. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so yeah, this is a nice curvy nose, and we have this expression left here. It's a curve. Let's give him this hairstyle, because this nose and this hairstyle and this face, I guess it'll all go together. Let me get this hairstyle. Okay, that just, yeah, and comes down here, and this fringes, okay, on his face. So we have the hair. Finally the ears. I think we can go with this one. So we have the face ready. Let's go ahead and ink it. I'm going to use this brush pen. Again, very gently. Follow your pencil lines, but if you want to modify them, you can improvise as you go. And this line comes down here. This one. When you use the brush pen, be very careful, because this ink is wet, and that's the reason why I start from the top. Had I started from down here and then moved up, I would have smudged the lines below. So when you're using a brush pen which is wet ink, be very careful and start it from the top and then move down to the bottom. So here we draw the ears. So now finally we have to color the hair. We can give it some streaks. Let me try out. Maybe we could try out different colors for this. I'm leaving this portion white here. We'll come back to that. You can color this black, and almost done. Okay, now we're done with the black. I have left a few highlights here, so let's give it some streaks. Maybe blue would do. I guess that should do. So we are done with this. So we have all our characters right here on the artboard. The circle, the square, the triangle, and the oval. And there we are. Okay guys, let's name our characters. He reminds me of one particular friend of mine. He used to be always angry. Let's call him Mr. Bobby. Yeah. Okay, so that's Mr. Bobby. Next we have this grouchy man. Okay, let's call Mr. Grouch something. Okay, let's call him Grouch Potato. Mr. Grouch Pops. We have this cute girl, colorful with orange hair. Let's call her something. Let's call her Miss Jalebi. Finally, our oval shaped man. What could we call him? Let me think. Can't really think of a name for this guy. Any suggestions? Like, share and comment. Remember, we are coming up with a new video every week, so please do go ahead and subscribe.